can coil his head back like a loaded spring and strike at prey in under a second. He senses danger. A bigger bird looms on the other side of the bank. He's a year older, and he wants in on this hunting ground. He swoops down for an incoming challenge. His huge wingspan gives him the advantage. If the younger gun wants to hunt in these waters, he'll need his A game. The bigger male is the first to rise up to mount the attack. Older and stronger, he lifts higher off the ground to bear down on the younger male, boosted by the force of gravity.